Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new learning playlist in our YouTube channel. The new topic is called Engineering Graphics or Fundamentals of Engineering Drawing. In this video, I am going to teach you the three below topics about the fundamentals of engineering drawing. First, introduction of engineering drawing or technical drawing. Second, graphic instrument which are used to create a technical drawing in olden days. Third one, in current days, methods of creating a technical drawings. First, let us see about the first topic, introduction of engineering drawing or technical drawing. Here I have shown one engineering drawing as an example. Let us start an introduction about the technical drawing. Engineering drawing is a graphical language used internationally by the engineers. Engineering drawing, most commonly referred as engineering graphics. Engineering drawing is the graphical representation used by the engineer. Graphic representation may be called a graphic language. It shows a physical representation of the object and their relationships. The graphic representation convey the ideas of the object clearly and accurately in terms of very simplest and shortest way regarding the shape, size, finish, color of this particular objects. The graphic language having its own rules and regulation, and it is controlled by the certain code of practices in Indian standards. Code of practices is controlled by the Bureau of Engineering Indian standards. The following of some of the important standard to be provided in the engineering drawing as per our Indian standards. That is first one, size of the drawing sheets. For example, A4, A3, A2, A1 will be controlled in the engineering standard called 10711. Folding of drawing pins. The method of folding in A1 sheet will be procedure is provided in Indian standard 11664. Scale for use of technical drawing. For example, 1:1, 2:1, next 5, I think 5:1 is it should be a standard scale size. That standard will be available in Indian standard 7713. The standards about the title block, we have some information like material, scale, drawing drawn by that in what type of projection. The title block information standard will be available in Indian standards 11665. General principles of dimensioning method which is used in the technical drawing will be available in Indian standards 11669. Abbreviation of use in technical drawings. Some short form will be used in technical drawing. That short form abbreviation will be available in Indian standard 11670. For example, abbreviation in olden days CR, that is in terms of CR, abbreviation is corner radius, corner chamfer. We will be indicating that into short way in technical drawings. Next, general principles of presentation of technical drawing available in Indian standard 10714. Presentation of item reference on technical drawing will be available in Indian standards 1071. Lettering and technical drawing. Lettering size will be controlled in Indian standards 9609. Conventional representation of common features will be controlled by the Indian standard 11663. Presentation of threaded parts. For example, either hole or shaft will be having the thread. That representation will be in standardized in Indian standard 19715. Next, spring. About the spring representation will be available in Indian standard 10,716. Conventional representation of gears and technical drawing. Gears, what type of gears we are using standardly, that is available in Indian standard 10,717. Technical drawing of structural metal works will be available in Indian standard 10,720. Scheme of welding symbols like arc, fillet weld symbols will be standardized in Indian standard 813. Method of indicating surface structure. Surface structure, for example, case of a stakes finish, semi-finish, or a milling finish, that surface structure standard will be available in Indian standard 10,719. Recommendation of limits and fits. For example, F6, G6 fits will be available in Indian standard 919. General tolerance and dimensions and form and positions. That is, form and position in the sense, in terms of GD&T will be available in Indian standard 2102. These are all the code of practices we are using in technical drawing as per our Indian standards. Next, the second topic is called graphic instruments. Before that, an engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing. I'll give you a small brief about the engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing used to fully or clearly define the requirements for engineered items, and it is usually created in accordance with the standardizing conversation of layout, nomenclature, interpretation, appearance, size, etc. It's a purpose of accurately and unambiguously captured all the geometric features of the product of the component. The end goal of the engineering drawing is to convey all required information that will allow a manufacturer to produce that component. This is the goal of the technical drawing. Next topic is about the graphics instrument. In olden days, this graphic instrument are used to create a instrumented technical drawings. To create a neat and correct drawing, we should use a good graphic instrument. A list of graphic instruments are shown below. That is, first requirement is drawing board with a sheet. Second one is T-square mini drafter, instrument box containing large size of compass, divider, spring bow, compass, divider, etc. Engineering scale set square can be with a different angle 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, and protractor, French curve, stencil and letters, template for circles, etc. Drawing sheets, drawing pencils can be H and 2H, mechanical clutch pencils, eraser, erasing shield, drawing pins to keep the drawing on the drawing board, adhesive tape or clips, sandpaper, blade, packet, knife, pencil sharpener, handkerchief, duster, dusting brushes, etc. These are the basic instruments which are used in olden days to create a technical drawing, neat technical drawing. Now let us go to the third topic is called a method of doing technical drawing. There are three methods of doing technical drawing. One is a sketching, manual, second one is manual or by instrument, and third one is computer-aided design CAD. I will explain you with the example and advantages of disadvantages of in each and every method of doing technical drawings. Let us go to the first method, that is sketching. A sketching is a quickly executed freehand drawing that is usually not intended as a finished work in general. The advantages of sketching. Sketching is a very quick way to record our ideas for later use. It, it is executed especially when the finished work is more expensive and time consuming. Example, architects sketches preliminary serve as a way to try out different ideas and establish a composition before more finished works. Second method to create an engine technical drawing is manual or instrument methods. In ancient days, expert only create hand drawings. because they know the standards and code of practices used in technical drawing. The expert will create a clear and neat technical drawing with the help of these instruments. Experts will create a hand drawing by using this graphic instrument, scale, pencil, geometrical items, etc. Through this hand drawing of, they need to create one is to one drawing. Two or more expert will work together to create a design a big one is to one drawing with a standard graphic language. It has own formula guidance. The basic drafting procedure is to place a piece of paper or other material on the smooth surface with the right angle corners and straight side, typically a drawing board. A sliding straight edges known as a T-square is then placed one side of sides, allowing to slide across the table over the surface of the paper. We can draw 2D drawing and 3D and isometry through this hand drawing. Advantages of hand drawing. Hand drawing is original. No need to spend more time on the instrument, more money on the instrument. Yearly subscription for the computer maintenance is not needed. Disadvantages. Doing rework is very difficult. Drawing experts are needed to create an engineering drawing with its own standard and grammars. It is very difficult to copy if you done a master copy. This is the disadvantages of and in manual or instrument drawings. Now let us go to the third method is called our current method, computer aided design, CAD. Today the mechanics of the drafting task have largely been automated and accelerated through the use of the computer aided design. There are three types of computer aided design system used in production producing the technical drawings. One is two dimension, three dimension simulation. An example of drawing drafted in AutoCAD. 2D CAD systems such as AutoCAD of MicroStation replace the paper drawing disciplines. The lines, circles, arcs, curves are created within the software. It, it is down to the technical drawing skill of the users to produce the drawing. The advantages of computer-aided design. AutoCAD CAD drawing is save our time. Editing, sharing, copy is very easy to do that. Reducing error percentage, design efforts are drastically reduced, improve the accuracy. Then computer aided design or disadvantages. System cost is very easily hacked our design. System virus protection is needed due to sudden shutdown lost your design. Computer aided designs are classified into three subtypes: computer aided design, computer aided engineering, computer aided manufacturing. In this playlist, from next words on, let us see the basic fundamentals which are need to create to understanding our engineering, drawing, graphic languages. If you like this video, please share your friends and support to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.